JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta and OMG Carpet Cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia. It is about 11 o'clock. This is a repeat customer. They got, several miscellaneous spots on the carpet. You can probably hear the dog in the background. Basically, we've got 5 bedrooms, a hallway area here, and the stairs. And like I said, there's multiple spots throughout. That we will be addressing. Again, as always, there is no per spot fees like you'll find with a lot of carpet cleaners. One specifically I know of, Zero Res, they charge extra for spots. So if your carpets don't have any spots in them, then I think they do charge what they quote. Otherwise, last I heard, it was an extra $40 to $90 per area for spots. So that's always something to consider if you're getting your carpets cleaned. Like most people, which means when you've got spots or areas you've got heavily soiled areas, things of that nature, that's typically when people get their carpet cleaned. If you get a quote from companies like Zero Res or other types of companies, you want to be sure and clarify if that actually includes cleaning or if it does not include spots, or what the case may be. That way you're not surprised when there are extra charges for spots. We've always had the philosophy, if you're having the carpet cleaned, shouldn't the spots be included? That's probably the reason you're having them cleaned. I've never understood how carpet cleaners get away with charging extra for spots, because I wonder, okay, well, if spots aren't included, what actually is included? Just things I ponder. So, like I said, it's about 11 o'clock. We'll get on this job and shoot you an after video. All right, guys, it is 12 o'clock. 11:59 to be exact, I believe. Just finished up this 7-area job. Customer did add an area rug, which was an 8x10. She's a repeat customer, so we threw it in at no charge. It's good to give your customers freebies. It's a good, inexpensive way to keep customers for life. You see those spots are gone. I forgot where they were. Everything came out nice. So again, there were probably a dozen or so, maybe more spots throughout the upstairs, mostly. Well, yeah, pretty much upstairs on the stairs. Again, spots are included when you use us. No per spot fees, no upsells, things of that nature. You are charged what you're quoted, provided you give us the correct number of areas. We always give a per area price and a total price, because people often add an area, subtract an area, forget an area, or as in some of our other videos, they have a huge bonus room. If your bonus room is the size of a 2-car garage, that does count as 2 areas. So we also offer forever pricing, which means as long as you have at least 4 areas cleaned by us once a year, you pay the same thing forever. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges, no soapy sticky residue. Again, we have a citrus cleaning solution that doesn't leave a soapy residue. And it works excellent on pet spots, things of that nature. 770-652-0630. Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, as well as OMG Carpet Cleaning. 770nosteam.com is our web address. As I've said before, we do put people in the carpet cleaning business. We sell our manual online, our course, if you will, teach people how to do what we're doing. We also sell our citrus cleaning solution. Each gallon of concentrate makes 10 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner. Again, it's not soapy, it's non-foamy, so you're not leaving a sticky residue behind like you'll find with pretty much everything out there. If you're in the business, maybe you want to be a repeat, go back, have redos, reappearing spots, but we're the opposite of that. So get in touch with us. Thanks for watching, and as always, be kind, take care.